lesson 2 now. If you have not done so, I forgot to put this at the very end of lesson 1 video. Right up here is the name of your file, of your program file. So I'm just going to call this lesson 1, and then I'm going to go to File and Save Now. And you can see right here is the save progress. Alright, so now that we have lesson 1 complete, we have our front, our left, our right, and our back costumes. Now we need to animate it so it looks like your avatar of yourself is spinning and dancing around. So this is actually going to be quite easy. We're going to click on the code block right here, and we're going to need a few blocks. The first one is going to be in looks, so in this purple category, and we want to use a switch costume to block. Now, since we have 4 costumes, we need 4 of these blocks. So let's just drag and space out here 4 of them. Okay. Next, we need something to activate these. We need a hat block. You can notice they'll have a rounded top. So we're going to go into our events, and we're going to choose a when the green flag is clicked. I place that at the top. So then when the green flag is clicked right here, it'll activate anything attached below. Actually, we can even just connect these up if you'd like. Alright, now, we're not done yet though. We need a few more blocks here. We want this to continue dancing, not just once. Right now it would run this once and that would be it. So we're going to go into our control, grab one of these forever blocks here, put it right underneath the green flag one, and you'll see it will surround everything. So let me show it to you again. Alright, so if I had this in here, I grab the forever block, I can connect it right here underneath when the green flag is clicked, and then we have our forever. Now, we have 2 more steps. The first is we need to select the costumes in order. So we're going to start with our front-facing view. We can then either do left or right. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to choose left. After our front and then left, if somebody was spinning around, the next view you would see is their back. So that is correct. And then the final one would be our right view. So it would go front, left, back, right. Or you could do front, right, back, left. Either way, it doesn't matter. You're still spinning just in 2 different directions. If I click the green flag, you'll see it doesn't really function properly because we're missing something. It's switching costumes so fast, we can't see it. So we need to make it pause in between. To do that, in our control group here, we're going to grab this wait 1 second block and put one after each costume change. Now notice it said after each, so there's still a costume change down here. We need to add one down here as well. Now if I click the green flag, you will see we have our sprite dancing around. Okay. The only problem is it might seem a little glitchy because it's moving a little slow, so I'm going to hit the stop button. I'm going to go in here and adjust the time. So I found that 0.5 or half a second works pretty well. You can adjust as needed for your costumes. And do 0.5. And now if I click the green flag, we should have a sprite that dances around, and that looks great. So we have our front, our left, our back, our right, and our front again. So it spins around. The code here always runs from top to bottom. So again, we have when the green flag is clicked, it's going to activate this code that forever. It's going to put the costume front, wait half a second, put the costume left, wait half a second, costume back, wait, right, and then wait. If you don't include this last wait, you can see how it's glitchy. So make sure you always have a wait block after each costume change. And then once you have that, that is the end of lesson 2.